So how do you make text bigger on Google Slides on the iPad? Let's get started. If you are brand new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, make sure you have your Slides application downloaded and installed on your iPad, right? So you can see we can open it up like this, and you can just manage your existing presentation. So in order to change the text or make it bigger, make sure to tap on the text field, then double tap the text to select the area which you want to change in terms of the size. Right, and as you can see in the top, we have a couple of different settings or whatever, but I want you to go to the top right corner and click on the A with the underline icon, right? So tap on this, and this is the whole place to manage and customize your text, right? So you have the ability to bump up the size, use the up arrow or down arrow, or you can also just, tap it multiple times to just, make it much larger. Depends on how exactly you want to have it, but it's very easy to find it and to change it up. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to make it work, but in case it doesn't, make sure that the Google Slides is the latest version. So you can check out the App Store and look up the Slides right there. And if there is an update available, make sure you install it so you are running the latest version of the app, right? But that's it from me. If you have some specific questions, let me know about those below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.